Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the distance unit on the Marine Radar application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the settings icon at the left side on the screen and scroll down, and in the last option, the distance units, and you can select three options: nautical mile, mile and kilometer, and just select one and step on it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.